Hi, I'm Hokyome, and this is the question that I get for the final exam, question 3. Identifying important areas for proboscis monkeys in Sabah using species distribution model. Now, the proboscis monkey, also known as Nassalis lavatus, is an endemic species to the island of Borneo, and it has been designated as endangered on the IUCN Red List since year 2000. According to investigations done by previous researchers, it is found that the proboscis monkeys prefers to inhabit forest areas beside riverine or riparian vegetation. Although the proboscis monkey are protected under the Wildlife Conservation Enactment, year 1993-97, their population are still facing primary and anthropogenic threats and showing a decline in population trend. Now, here are why it is important for us to do this project is because the increasing anthropogenic development, particularly the urbanization and agricultural plantation, exposes the proboscis monkey population to a variety of either direct or indirect associated environmental problems. The most prominent is the degradation and fragmentation of forested land as a result of rapid land type conversion to the agricultural lands, causing a significant impact on the abundance and survival rate of the proboscis monkey. Here are the research questions for this project. The main question is, what are the areas available in Sabah that are significant for the survival of proboscis monkey? And next, here's our objective. For the first objective, we are to find the species distribution of proboscis monkeys in Sabah. Next, we visualize the estimated representative population distribution of proboscis monkey. And last but not least, we identify the important areas for proboscis monkey in Sabah using the species distribution models. And here's our method. To do this project, we need to obtain the primary data, and thus we need to do a bulk-based census survey, where the number of individual and group densities of the proboscis monkey are collected for each group of primates found in the study area by cruising along the river. And the second method we'll be using for this project is the species distribution modeling. This method employs the computer algorithms to estimate a species distribution based on the pattern of biodiversity at spatial scales throughout the geographical area and time using environmental data. Not only does it can predict the estimated species distribution of the proboscis monkey, it also can quantify the relationship between the environmental factors and also the proboscis monkey distribution. And the third method we'll be using is the MapN software. We'll be using this software to calculate the species distribution modeling. The MapN software is a quantitative or rule-based model that analyzes species occurrence with the environmental variables. This software uses the present-only data to predict the distribution of a species based on the theory of maximum entropy. They predict the species occurrence by determining the most spread out or closest to uniform distribution while taking into the consideration of the environmental variables of the study set. And next, we'll be using the Geographical Information System, GIS. From the geographical coordinate obtained from the bulk-based census survey, we use the Google Earth Pro version 7.4.8248 and also QGIS version 2.8 18.24 to create a map of expected species occurrences using quantitative analysis. And here's our conclusion. This project gives an input about the estimated population distribution of the proboscis monkey and also the possible threat exposed to the proboscis monkey population, as well as the most important thing, identify the important areas for proboscis monkey in Sabah. Now, the data obtained from this project could then be used as a study reference evidence for the development of variable and workable conservation actions required to preserve and conserve the proboscis monkey population in the study area. And now, with the not only that we can use it as a study reference, we also need a crucial collaboration among the various stakeholders such as the government, the policy makers, corporation, and also research institute. Not only that, this data obtained from this project can also be used by the general public to know more and learn more about the proboscis monkey. Thank you. That's all for me.